Mamang Sahigi May Ahumdagi Manipur Thokliba Irang Asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na WAPHAM AMATTA PHONGDOKTANA LEIRIBA ASI YANINGDABA PHONGDOKTUNA Peace and Mutual Coexistence HAIBA Theme the Asigi Konithoi New Delhi the protest rally ama Pangthoklagani HAIRI Mamang Sahidagi Hokiba Irang Asina Maram Oiraga Manipur Tangdu Laitaba Laitre Mioi Kaya ama Mayum Thadoktuna Lanjanare Piba Masi Yoraba Pauba constitutional amadi moral responsibility Laupam Thokliba India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na WAPHAM AMATTA PHONGDOKTANA LEIRIBA asina Manipur unity amadi Manipur yaifanabagi damakta mahakna pikhiba thajabasing aduda chauna chingnaba ama pokhalle Prime Minister gi masing thingamdraba Miraiba ke khongsat singda Russia Ukraine anigi marakta soknariba lan asi loisinaba amadi malemda tangdu laitaba laknaba WAPHAM kya phongdoktuna lakle Malem gi tangdu laitaba laknaba paujel sandoklingaida masagi leibak manungda thokpa irang ama khangsinnadana leithokliba asna Manipur miyamna thamlamba thajaba amadi asa adu minamba oina thokle miyamna su masagi maramda irang thoklaga Malem gi oiba tangdu laitaba gi paujel karamna piribanu haina hangle Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tumina laisinba amadi irang asiga mari lainana thabak amatta laukhalaktaba asigi mayokda civil society organization sing amadi multi ethnic community singi oiba mifam anirak pangthoklaba matung lakliba tangkuni thoi the peace and mutual coexistence haiba theme the protest rally ama pangthoknaba warep laure masiga iroinana Manipur gi tongan ba ethnic community amadi seso singi mihut yangkhaina saba delegation ama December kuni thoi dagi kuntaruk phawgi manungda Prime Minister Narendra Modi ga unaduna tangdu laitaba laknabagi lambi thidokminagani hiramasiga mari lainana lakliba tang taratarukta Prime Minister office ta chatuna Prime Minister ga mifam pangthoknabagi ayaba lauragani hairi sahi asiga October 12 da Imphal gi classic granda amadi ngarang Sangai Hotel Imphal da Peace and Mutual Coexistence ki matang da seso singi mifam tangkak nai na pangthokre mifam aduna lakliba tangkuni thoi the peace and mutual coexistence haiba theme da New Delhi da protest rally ama pangthokpa member yangkhaina saba delegation amana Prime Minister unaduna Manipur da housik oiriba phiba masigi matang da taksinba loinana Manipur da thokliba irang ase loisinaba government of India na stakeholders sing yauna peace process ama laukhatpa haina yanaki hairi mifam adu da Committee of Peaceful Coexistence Manipur Mitai Tribe Union Federal Students Organization Kanglaipak United Maitai Pangal Committee Manipuri Students Federation Committee on Relief and Rehabilitation Kanglaipanas Yelhomi Phurup Apunba Awanba Manipur Amagidamak All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association All India Tanzim Insaf Women Association for Socio-Economic Development Struggling Women Association All Manipur Student Guardian Organization Imagi Maira All Manipur Maitai Pangal Clubs Organization Maipak Ningthau Committee Youth Collective Manipur Nupi Union for Peace and Integrity Amasung Manipur International Youth Center gi mihut singna saruk yaki hairi